What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of KILLZONE Outdoors. So first and foremost, I want to thank all you guys for watching my last video. We're at about 1,500 views and counting, and I just wanted to thank you guys because I really appreciate all the views because, you know, I put a lot of hard work into these videos, and it just goes to show that it's paying off, and then you guys are checking it out. So thank you for that. And then for today's episode, we're going to be looking into John's pheasant hunt. He was able to go out with some of his buddies from the fire station, and they got some pretty nice pheasants. And then we're going to check into our early ice fishing action. So I've been out a couple times. I haven't been able to catch a whole lot, you know, just a few crappies and smaller sunnies. But one of our buddies, Justin, he's been out quite a bit since, you know, we've had probably 3 inches of ice, and he's been hitting it hard. So he's been able to catch some good early ice fish, some decent northerns, and a couple walleyes. So let's go check out some of that action.
What's up, guys? It's John from KILLZONE Outdoors. We're going pheasant hunting in central Wisconsin today. It's November 25th, Sunday after Thanksgiving. We're going to this game farm, like I said, central Wisconsin. They're going to release 50 birds for us, so we'll see what we got. Stay tuned.
There we go. Ooh, feels good. Oh, it came off. Oh, it's not still there. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's running. That's got a shiner on here. It's a light rod, so 6-pound line. There's my bobber. Oh, I think it's a big pike. Oh yeah, nice pike. Nice pike. Oh, he's not done yet. There we go. Yeah, that one's not bad. Look at that hook set right in the corner of the mouth. About 24 and a half. 24. Not bad. Pretty fat. There he goes. Alright guys, I already got another one. See if we can get this one in though. Look at that. That one's nice. About 28. Give you a better look at them. Look at that belly. Alright, let me get him back now. Oh, he was ready to go. Oh, that was fun. Oh. I'm gonna get that line back down there right away. Get another one. Feels nice. Are you gonna grab my... Oh! Oh, wow. Pike.
Oh!
Oh! Yeah!
Nice. Nice fish.
Come here.
Nice.
Oh, let's show you guys can see that.
Oh yeah. That's like a 16.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
There we go. That's what we're looking for. He came flying up. There we go. Nice little guy.
Oh yeah.
He's like 15 maybe. But definitely can keep him. Look at that tail. White tail. It's nice.
He'll eat.
Oh yeah. It'll be nice tonight. Yep.
Oh.
Oh. How big even is this?
Well,
Here.
not what we were looking for. We were hoping it was going to be another walleye.
Only 8.
It's about an 8-inch crappie.
I'll let him go.
Still fun to catch. Alright, that's all the fishing and hunting action we have for today. I will be going to Mille Lacs and Red Lake here pretty soon, so hopefully I can get on the walleyes and then we can get that to you guys. But if you liked what you saw today, click down here to subscribe or click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.